Malaiti. Kafan. Kom jadi. Awe. Kaki wena. Ruki wa ka Tshegofatso. Opa. Tell Queen that I want her to meet me at the old soccer field. And it is important, really, really important. Awe. Kita lo adi tension sweet juga. Queen, Chillies says you will meet him on the old soccer field. He says it's important.
Hi, sis. Zipo, what's going on? Are you okay?
Yes, Chillies just sent me.
Thanks, you can go and play now. We'll see you later.
That boy thinks he's Romeo or something. What's so important all of a sudden? Maybe he's finally going to say sorry.
Just be careful, Queen. This house of girls get broken.
You will not say it unless you meant it. I'm not soft. I will go.
Okay.
You said it was important. It is important.
Will you ever give someone like me a chance?
Why did you
We are hosting a talent show, and I want us to run it together.
Why me?
You are the only one that I trust, and I respect you.
Fine, I will do it.
Some of them men think they freak this like we do, but know that.
Time to go.
What do you want from me?
Ke batla motho o ka nthusang go dira plane e yaka. And guess what? Ke wena o tlile mo naganong wa ka.
Ke mang yo sisi?
be scared, little girl. I'm just an old friend.
I said it's important.